Hey guys, Ramblin Bob here again. Okay, so I have some updated news. I am very excited about any new product that's coming out because I am absolutely, as my wife says, hooked for life on this stuff. I only have 10 power stations, so it's not bad. But I wanted to bring up this video, guys, because I was snooping around Pecron's website again today, and I noticed in the support, you know, the area where you can get like accessories and manuals and contact us and stuff. These are all the user manuals, and I noticed here. Let me straighten this up a little bit here. I noticed that on the bottom of here, guys, look what I found: the E1500LFP user manual, and then there's a E15LFP user manual version 2. So I don't know what's the difference, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to download both of these and put them in this video, and you guys can tell me what the difference is, and if there is a difference. But I wonder why they made a version 2. I'm curious, you know, like I said, anytime a new you see E15 LFP user manual and E15 LFP user manual V2, hence version 2. I'm always curious when I see stuff like that. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to put the manuals up, and you know, if you guys want to look through them, feel free. All right, Rambling Bob. Bye.